Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about some important websites for the job preparation of any kind and let's see the sites. So first site is Indiabix. Many of you might have been heard about this site. So let's see its interface and its contents. So the first line contain general aptitude, verbal and reasoning. So if you want to read general aptitude question, just click that and according to you select any one topic that you want to learn. So I select problem on trends. So after clicking that, many questions appeared in screen of you. So from where you can solve and also you can uh, see the answers. If you have any doubt, you can click discuss forum and discuss the doubts and the questions in that forum. Many students are commented here already. So if you want to learn what are the basic concept are used in that in this question, so in the topmost in blue color you can see problem on trans imported formula like that. So click here and you can find some important formulas and notes regarding that topic. So here you can read. So back and back and we again reach to the topics section: decimal, fractional, ratio, proportion, chain rules, number, average, partnership, compound interest, etc. Many more topics. And like that you can see data interpretation section, table chart, bar chart, any section you like to learn, you can go ahead and practice. And then verbal section also we can see spotting errors, synonyms, antonyms, spelling, ordering of words, sentence correction, and click that. So you can learn here and practice correctly. After that, if you want to give a short test, you can give online test which on which you can select aptitude, and then many sections are aptitude test 1, test 2, 3, 4. Anyone can, and you can select, like I select aptitude test. Just click on this. So this is a free test, do not pay money. Total number of 20 question, time allotted 30 question. Just click start test and the test will start, and time left it will see in red color. So like that you can give test. Here also current affair, GK section, invention, general science, world geography, current affairs. Click on which month of GK you want to see. January 2022, date 1 2 3 4 5, and like that day wise. There is also state, national, politics, person, finance, many topics from GK. So next section is interview, placement paper. You can see jam packed ABB, many companies, A to Z. Let's see HR interview questions. You can also see tell me about yourself. HR body language technical interview. Many programming languages technical subjects are there. And programming you can learn MCQ, technical MCQ, technical shorts, medical science also here, microbiology, microscience, biomedical engineering. So let's see our second site, which is Interview Mania. So let's see academic resources. Here is also aptitude, verbal, non-verbal reasoning, verbal ability, programming. If you want to learn aptitude and practice, go to the site. Number system, the last digit of the number obtained by multiplying the number will be. So you can view hint before solving the question. Here is one another function unlike Indiabix, which is view hint before you. If you not able to answer, you can click view hint, and after solving you can match your answer. Correct option A. Here is also discuss forum. You can filter your question like easy to moderate and then difficult and then number system tutorials, means tutorials from where you can learn how to solve the question. So that's all about the internal function of the sites, and like that you can check other sections also. Many topics are here for engineers, computer, electrical, civil, biotechnology. You can also give your online test to check your ability to solve the question, how much time you take to solve. 20 question 80 mark, 15 minute, level easy. You can take test and time will count down. So thank you. So these are the very important. If you have know any offline resources and want to learn on, or you have habit to learn by mobile phones or online mode, so you can learn from here. Thank you for watching.